Greetings traders, with you the channel MaxBot. Here I show the work with neural network with the passability from 89 to 95%. You can use 3 signals from the bot for free. After that you can buy the full version of this tool at a discount of 90%. The number of people who will get the discount is limited.
Link in the description. I'm getting my first signal now. The bot gives a prediction. Lower. I enter the transaction at the expiration time of 2 minutes with a currency pair Australian dollar, Swiss franc. There is a high payout percentage. The market entry point is $200.
In the message with the signal, the bot indicated additional information about price fluctuations and the impact of news on the currency pair. Now these parameters are reduced. Now let me analyze the logic of the signal with the help of technical analysis, which I will conduct on the TradingView service. An hour ago, we could see high volumes from sellers and a characteristic downtrend, which was replaced by a sideways movement, within which bears retained powerful resistance areas. Although in the last minutes the buyers were in better conditions than before, the powerful resistance area does not allow to break it, which fixes the situation in a flat state. And I believe that the robot has predicted a probable bounce from the resistance area and a local move lower. Indicators on the indicators confirm the probability of such an outcome of the deal. Friends, you can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions. You need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. Our team will choose one winner using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader and pump up your thinking. We are trying for you, for our community. Subscribe soon. Meanwhile, the price moves lower than the entry point. This trade completes safely. So, the signal from the robot and my analysis turned out to be accurate. $176 were deposited into the real account. This is a good result, but I will not stop there and will make a trade with another currency pair for a change. I find in the pocket option search the variant as dollar, Japanese yen. The payout percentage here is close to the maximum 91. The signal from the neural network in this case is to lower. The news background and volatility are reduced now. I entered the market by pressing the red button on the broker's site. It's time to analyze the deal again using the historical data as an example. I want to emphasize the fact that MaxBot knows how to use more than just technical analysis. The developers have pumped it up and taught it to use all the top tools. Candlestick analysis, price action and 30 indicators. It gives each user who purchased it unlimited signals. Now pay attention to the chart. On the tick volume histogram, you can see many situations where the bears have a slight volume advantage. But in the last few minutes they have made a breakout. And for an hour and a half we could see a consolidation condition. But now there was a characteristic break of the support area, which within the 2-minute expiry time should play a decisive role in the final result. I think that given the strength of the sellers, the buyers will not have time to take the initiative within this time frame, unless the price goes sideways. I believe that the robot was guided by the same logic when it quickly read the market situation and gave this signal. I am sure that working together with this neural network regularly, you will become the owners of large deposits. The robot absorbed everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a nominal fee. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment, which you will make at a discount of 90%, will pay for itself in the first hours of work. This is possible thanks to powerful algorithms that are constantly being improved. You can receive signals from the neural network and at the same time learn, recover or do other things. The robot is your assistant, which takes on complex analytical work and does everything to make you earn money. So, and now the money has been deposited into my account. $182 in profit. The signal from MaxBot and my analytics agreed and turned out to be correct. Now I will make the final trade to consolidate the positive result. I will enter the market with the currency pair Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Here the acceptable payout percentage is 86. $200 is my investment. Neural network recommendation, higher side. In this case, you need to click on the green button on the broker's website. The news background now has a significant impact on the price movement. Volatility is now elevated.
This information is indicated in the signal message. Neural networks receive it in real time. And now, friends, let's take another look at the situation as a whole.
What happened on the price movement chart earlier? Massive areas of support can be seen over the last hour. Buyers thus in some cases were able to hold back the sellers' onslaught, which created a sideways movement situation.
According to the histogram of tick volumes, the bulls felt most confident an hour ago, after which the bears were able to seize the initiative and a local downtrend occurred.
Indicators tell me that now there is a high probability of a bounce from the support area and a trend reversal to the higher side.
Oversold conditions may play a factor that will lead to this. I think the bot was guided by a similar logic when it issued the forecast. So let's wait for the end of the trade together to summarize the results.
And right now, you can see testimonials from satisfied users who have already experienced the power of the MaxBot neural network. These people work regularly together with artificial intelligence and have been able to significantly increase their profits.
Try it in you.
By clicking on the link in the description, you can get 3 free signals. After that, you can buy the tool and get full unlimited forecasts. After purchasing the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There, our team analyzes different market situations and shares fresh signals. So, in the meantime, the deal is closing. And yes, exactly what I said happened. Exactly what the robot predicted. The trend reversed. The account was credited with $172. Today's total profit is $530. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like and click on the bell to be notified about new interesting videos with case studies, educational information and reviews of robot chips. Participate in our cool contest with a prize of $1,000 and may you be lucky.
See you soon.